I really don't mean to have so many Doc Martens unboxings, but this is a very special one, and I have had this box of Docs just sitting in my wardrobe here in Australia for over, I don't know, I ordered them over a year ago and they just took so long to come that they didn't get here in time for me leaving the country. So they have been sitting in my wardrobe and I have not even opened them since I've like got back. I've just been looking at them waiting to do this video. I don't know how I managed to like control myself, but yeah, I got an unboxing. So you may notice that these bad boys are not in a post box. That's because when they came originally, I got my mom to open up the box to make sure they're there, because it would have been really awkward if I opened the box right now and there was nothing in there. So as you can tell, are the xgirls, maybe you can tell, but it says xgirl right here. And what we have is the 1461 bex-girls. So they are black and green and I'm so excited to see them. I actually haven't seen like anybody style these that much since they came out. So I can't wait to style them and show you like my initial ideas with these. I don't even have an idea yet, but we'll see at the end of the video. So let's go ahead and open these up. Actually, no. If you're here, please subscribe if you haven't already, and if you like Doc Marten videos, let me know, or else I have a lot of fashion videos coming as well, or travel, or whatever you want. Let's be pals, I guess. Here we go. I'm gonna, oh my gosh. First up, the box has like this really cool pattern on it. Like I've got some other xgirls before, which is these ones here, and they also have that kind of leopardy print pattern like on the inside, which is super cool, but I don't have the box for those, sadly, but this box is way cooler. So yeah, we got that, and the paper also says xgirl. Now I got these from Depop. There was someone who got like the wrong size, and then I'll let you guys see it as I'm opening it. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. All right, these are stunning. So as you can see, they have the bex sole here. It also has this little dog tag, which is Doc Martens on one side, xgirl on the other, and we got this amazing print here. I think it's leopard print that's like kind of embossed into the leather. My camera keeps trying to focus on my face. We're focusing on the shoes, guys. Oh my gosh, there's more things that I haven't even expected. We got the tags on the side, and we got a bunch of shoelaces as well. Wow, oh my gosh, there's like 2 packets of shoelaces. So I'll try to show you all the shoelaces. So the first set of shoelaces is these xgirl ones. It's just black ones that say xgirl here. We also have just a plain pair of black laces. Oh my gosh. These ones are more like a flat style shoelace, and they say punk skating. I had no idea that it had like all these laces, so that's surprising. Maybe I did and I forgot, but yeah, that's that shoe. And another little surprise is that it also has a few things on the inside. So on the inside of the shoe, it says xgirl. It's got the little logo face thing, as well as on the side, I don't know if I'll be able to show you, but on the inside it says punk skating world as well, if you can see that there. And these are a little different than the regular Bex 1461s because they also have the airwear tag on the back, which isn't on everything, but aren't these just so adorable? I'll get the other one out. So yes, this is the 2 together. I ended up getting them in a UK size 6, which is my usual size. Always get that size except in sandals, with all of these bad boys. Obviously, as you can tell back there, I didn't really need any more shoes, but I thought these are a cool like kind of collector's item because they're kind of limited edition kind of Doc Martens, so I picked these up, but now I'm going to style them and show you just my initial thoughts on how to style them. I honestly think the shoe is going to be the main focal point. Don't want to go too crazy with the outfit, although who knows? Who knows what will happen at the end of the video. But let me know how you would style these, or if you have them as well. It'd be nice to know if anyone else has these. And yeah, let's get styling. So I decided to leave on my corduroy overalls that I was already wearing, added a striped turtleneck for a very classic kind of Parisian, I feel, look, because I added the beret, obviously. And you'll notice that I decided to go for red socks because I love how it goes with the laces. It's got a little bit of red on there. So yeah, you'll see that pretty much in most of the outfits. I feel like I always wear this vest on the flame side, but it's just so superior, although I do love checkerboard. I think the checkerboard looks good for the back section, right? Let me know in the comments. So this look is definitely more bold, but it is something I wear a lot because it's so comfortable and so cute. Sometimes you just want to chuck on jeans and a t-shirt. My go-to jeans are always black wide leg jeans, and it has such a cute look because you can kind of peep the little socks underneath. The shirt is something I made recently, which is made out of all my dad's old New Zealand t-shirts, so I think it's a little bit different than having just a basic black tee because it kind of has a story. So I think this is a super cool casual look, just basic jeans, and actually this whole looks thrifted. Oh my gosh, winning. So yeah, we got these Levi's jeans that are maybe a little bit too short, you be the judge, a vintage tank top, and also this striped button up that I found in the men's section. It's very effortless cool, I think. My favorite part about making videos like this is being able to realize that you can style your clothing in so many more ways than you even thought of. So I've had all these items for quite a while now, and I just randomly saw them sitting next to each other, so I put them all together and bam! I feel like sometimes with a dress it's hard because you think you can only wear it one way, but turns out you can wear it several ways. I like to call this one walking around in the summer without getting sunburnt shoulders. This is basically something that I've been wearing a lot lately because it's hot and I just want something that's like very comfortable and breathable, and turns out the green goes with the green in the shoes, so I thought, why not? Too bad I'm not wearing a hat with this. I would look like I'm a train driver or something, but I dig it. Sometimes you just simply need to show off some bright colored socks, and that's what I did here with these overalls. So yes, I want to emphasize here that I love clothes that can have multiple functions. I realized this dress could be turned inside out, and bam, now we have a black dress, which you may not recognize because I normally wear it on the floral side. I've also paired it with this vest to kind of make it have a little bit more pizzazz, and yeah, I hope you like this look. So that has been how I style these bad boys and an unboxing. Let me know if you have any docs in mind that you'd like me to unbox in the future, because I'm probably just gonna get more doc muttons. I don't know why I need any more, but here we are. Yes, my name has been Jen. If you haven't already, please subscribe. My Instagram's in the Wonder Years. And until next time, keep having a doc muttons addiction, or I'm sorry for your bank account because I probably am making you have one.